Hello, my name is Frida Norrbom Sams and I'm the CEO of Hydroscand Group. I think it's really important to prioritize our customer above all. Whether it is in our daily work or even in our strategy, we always need to put the customer first. The customer is actually what makes our business grow. The customer is what makes the business running. For us, it's extremely important to have a high customer satisfaction, and we do run customer service. We do make sure that we follow up on customers that might have expressed a claim or a dissatisfaction. But what is also very important to remember is the word of mouth. A dissatisfied customer will tell 17 people. A satisfied customer will tell 3. So it's actually, unfortunately, much easier to lose your reputation than to build it. I think it's really important to prioritize customer satisfaction regardless of your role in Hydroscand. You might not have daily customer contact yourself, but you have colleagues. They do. So how can you help them? And why not ask, around and see if you can get the opportunity to every now and then help out in a branch? Everybody can do something. A very good example of a customer-driven development at Hydroscand is our HoseOnSite service, which is basically, in its simplest form, a container that we put at the customer site or at a road development area. It could be storage of hoses, but it can also be a workshop, basically. And we can also provide the customer with so-called VMI, meaning that we can constantly replenish the unit for them without having to be on site all the time. This is a typical drive from the customer saying, can you simplify getting the hoses to my site, or can you simplify for my people to actually do the workshop tasks themselves? And that's one of our solutions, and it's highly successful. I think it's extremely important that we're all proud of our customer focus and our customer commitment.